Okay.
Throttle active. Middle rate.
Okay, Carl, I'm ready when you are. You go up first and then I'll follow. Okay, we're about to take off to the right. Right. To the right. Yeah, we're just going to counterclockwise it. To the right. I'll be up second after you.
Gear up.
Gears up right away. Here we are. Oh, I think I'll be too far, be off to the side. There we go.
Make a low pass coming left to right. We're about half throttle here.
Oh yeah, if you want to go up to about 60, 65, perfect. Okay.
Back the other way. And one more long pass down the runway.
Okay. Low pass from the left. The big P-47. Let me catch up to you. Here we go. Hopefully I'm pointing the right way. Actually, you might be off to the side a little bit.
I think I'm a little out further.
Okay.
Yeah. I will, it's always tough to tell.
Yeah. The depth perception starts to go.
On the deck again,
Okay.
left to right.
Bring your power up. Come up under me. Oh, beautiful.
Look out, get out of the way. High speed pass.
Okay.
High speed pass. You're pretty good at following, man. I have a hard enough time just following my own.
Thank you.
Back off the throttle a bit, a little higher off the runway. Laughing at it.
Low pass.
Sure.
From the left.
We'll do another low pass from the left.
You want to bring it up to about 80%?
Sure.
Let's do a little faster.
87.
Okay, I'm rolling on the throttle.
That's okay.
I'm on the.
What just happened? My gear just came down. I didn't flip that
Whoa.
switch. Let me,
Okay, I'm backing off.
okay. You saw that too, didn't you?
I did not.
Okay, well, feels fine. She's okay.
Feel okay?
Maybe I'm seeing things. I swear I saw my wheels down.
I wasn't. I didn't
No,
notice.
Are you watching yours? Well, it's okay. Low pass here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Go 80%.
Yep.
All right. I'll be rolling on now. Oh, I'm passing. I'm rolling off.
Low level, high speed from the left.
Okay.
Copy.
Coming back over.
Yeah, well, maybe not quite as low. I'll keep her up a little higher.
Got you.
Right about there, maybe. Landing from the left.
Okay, clear.
Do you? I don't know what flight times you get.
1 minute and 39 seconds, 14.8 volts.
I got about a minute left. How much time do you got left?
According to this, about 2.5.
2.5. Okay.
But I've been, a little hard on the throttle.
Okay. It's up to you if you want to land.
You go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, I got a couple more circuits I can do.
Well, if you got a few more, I'll go ahead and, just because of that weird behavior, I'm going to do a gear pass.
Okay, got you. Hey, I'll follow you in, actually, when you land. If that's...
Oh, yeah.
I won't stay too close.
I'm going to make a circuit here, just make sure gear's down, and
Okay.
we'll drop the flaps on the next one and put her in.
Got you.
Make sure that tail wheel is down. Yep, I got 3 in the green.
You're good. Are you, which way are you coming from?
I'm going to land and come in left or right.
You sure you want to do left or right?
Is it?
Should land from the right.
Okay, well then we'll come all the way around and go.
Okay.
Better if you
Yeah.
land from the right. There's a slight wind from the
Low
left.
battery.
Yeah. That's why I was asking.
Now. Okay. Yep, we'll just bring it all the way around and still got plenty of juice.
Okay.
That's,
Timer
that's a
1
million pounds.
elapsed.
Yeah. I bet that's an expensive goddamn pack.
It is about $100 or something. But
Got your flaps down. Looks real good.
I mean, for a 14-pound plane, it floats off pretty well.
See, my big gas gun weighs 17 pounds.
Oh yeah.
And I've got 60.
Is it a P-47
Oh, I can't.
too?
No, is it?
I passed you up. I couldn't.
Gear down.
Nice.
Okay.
Landing. Beautiful. Really nice.
Sounded pretty smooth. I didn't see it, but it sounded.
Here comes the zero.
I'll be coming in.
I'll get clear way down the runway.
No worries. Okay, I'm set up now.
Yeah, he's on. Very nice. No flaps.
No flaps, sir. Whoa, little bouncer. That's okay.
Yeah,
I'll take
they're
it.
down.
Take it. Taxiing off.
Each one's in one piece. That's
Yes,
all
sir.
you can hope for.
You park up next to you. See. Good flight. Fun flight.
See if you got some,
Say hello to the P-47 over here. Go. Oh, beautiful.
that was fun, man.
That was fun flight, Carl.
Middle rates. Low rates.
Fun flying, sir. Okay.